Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about Teespring versus Redbubble, like which one is better. So let's look into both of these platforms. So as you may know, both these platforms, whether Teespring or Redbubble, they all allows what they actually do is they both allows artists and designers to sell their products. It's a platform to sell their products. So both of these platforms are really actually good platforms. It all depends on what type of products that you want to sell. So for example, Teespring, if you see Teespring allows users to sell a wide range of products, including clothing and accessories, as well as like home decors items as well. Okay, so what happens is that the Teespring selling model is that they set goals. So they offer to set goals to sell a specific item in a specific time goal. So for people who sells based on a sale model, then this will be a preferable option. And also it offers a more control over pricing and on public and on profit margins. So that's something Teespring offers. On the other hand, Redbubble. In Redbubble, products are created once orders are received, so you don't need to set goals, and items are always available for purchase at any time. So that's one thing in Redbubble. And also one and the advantage of Redbubble is that Redbubble has strong community connections and allows artists to create and share their work in communities, which helps to generate sales and which helps for better marketing, and also uses algorithms to recommend products based on users' preferences, which might help in sales, you know. So overall, like both of these, you can actually create both of these platforms are good to sell your items, and you can choose based on what product you're selling. So apart from that, both of these are pretty similar platforms. It's just it's just that Teespring offers a more control over pricing and profit margins compared to Redbubble, which provides more, which has a strong community connections with buyers and sellers. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this analysis and information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.